Dora the Explorer at the Carnival. Hi, I'm Dora. Do you like to play games? Me too. Boots and I are at a carnival. That's a festival where you play games and win prizes. Boots and I want to win the grand prize, the big piñata. When a piñata breaks open, all kinds of prizes fall out, like toys and stickers and treats. To win the big piñata, we need to collect 8 yellow tickets. Will you help us win the big piñata? Great! How do we get to the big piñata? Let's ask Map. Say Map. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Calls Map. You have to go past the Ferris wheel, then go around the merry-go-round. That's how you get to the big piñata. Along the way, we'll collect the 8 yellow tickets by going on rides and playing games. We made it to the Ferris wheel. Look, it's Senior Tukan. He says we can ride the Ferris wheel. But first, we have to find an empty seat. Will you help us find an empty seat on the Ferris wheel? What blue shape is next to it? Yeah! You found the empty seat next to the blue star. Senior Tukan says we want 4 yellow tickets. Now we can ride the Ferris wheel higher and higher and higher. We go! Wheel! Next we'll go to the merry-go-round. Do you see it? Here's Isa the iguana. Isa says that if we ride the merry-go-round and find the orange ring, we can win more yellow tickets. Will you help us find the orange ring? Excellente! You found it! We just won 4 yellow tickets! Yay! Let's see, we had 4 yellow tickets from before and now we just won 4 more yellow tickets. So, how many tickets do we have altogether? That's right, 8! Now, we can win the big piñata. Do you see it? Come on, we are almost there. Uh-oh! That sounds like Swapper the fox. That sneaky fox will try to swap our tickets. Do you see Swapper? We have to say, Swapper no swapping. Thanks for helping us stop Swapper. We made it to the big piñata. Step right up, says the Fiesta Trio. You need 8 tickets to win. We have 8 tickets. Fantastico! We won the big piñata. Look, all of our friends are here to help open the big piñata. To open the big piñata, we need to pull the green ribbon. Do you see the green ribbon? Reach out and grab it with both hands. Woo! Hooray! We opened the big piñata. Look, there are toys and stickers and treats everywhere. Thanks for helping. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.